from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go.
Welcome to a new vlog. I am currently grocery shopping in Kroger. Right now I got a bunch of fruit. If you ever wanted to know if I was country, please know that I'm gonna eat some mustard eyes. But right now I am getting some water. Oh, my bad. That's some, I don't know what kind of water I want to get. Groceries are so fucking expensive now. But this guy will make you shit. It's so funny. It's so funny when people see you recording. They just stare. And you know what I do? I just stare back. But I'm in the bougie side of town. Well, I kind of live on the bougie side of town. So I'm a black girl with an orange wig on. All these people trying to make me feel like I don't belong. But baby, I am the original. My people came from this land. Y'all people had to steal it to get here, okay? But y'all, they trying to act all uppity and shit in here, and it stinks. It actually stinks in here. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. It smells like something is dead in here. I don't know what that is. I'm not messing with it. I'm not rocking with it. And ever since I moved to this side of town, one thing I can't find is noodles. So, do they like market certain stuff to certain areas? Cause I can't find noodles on my side of town now. It's definitely like a cultural difference in this store. They got pho. My bad. You would never find this on the south side at all. Or the east side for that matter. But, wow, and they don't have the regular noodles. Not shocked at all. Not shocked at all, but I've been craving noodles. I really want some. I'm not gonna find it over here. So y'all, let me finish grocery shopping because I think I'm spending too much money. So yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when we get home. Okay y'all, I am back home and I'm about to put the groceries up. I have been taking things out of the packages and putting them in glass jars. So this is my rice jar. As y'all can see, it's about empty. I'm just about to refill it up. But y'all, that store stunk so bad. If I could describe the smell, it smelled like spoiled fish, feet, and drugs. And for them people to be in there acting like we didn't belong, y'all know I don't like it. Y'all know I don't like it. So yeah. My bad. I am recording on my phone. I haven't told y'all what happened to my camera because I'm in denial. I don't. Hold on, my bad. I got my finger. I'm readjusting to filming on my phone. But my last couple of YouTube videos have been from my phone. Could y'all tell? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just about to put the groceries up. I bought fruit, beef, some salmon. I ain't buy no chicken. I'm tired of eating chicken, honestly, y'all. When they gonna come out with some new animals? Let me know. Let me know. My bad, y'all. My phone went dead. But I was saying I'm about to put the groceries up. And tomorrow we are going to make breakfast pizza. Y'all know the pizza we used to eat when we was in school? I found a recipe on TikTok. So we're gonna make that in the morning. But yeah. Oh, and y'all, I'm up here thinking like my hand itching. I'm about to get some money. Girl, no, I done got bit by a mosquito. So, of course my hand is itchy. What am I thinking? You know, but I'm about to put the groceries up. And I'm gonna call y'all back in the morning when it's time to make the pizza. I hope y'all like the vlog because I miss vlogging. And I'm not gonna let what happened to my camera stop me from vlogging. I don't know, am I supposed to look? I think I'm supposed to look over here. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all that you can make it on YouTube from vlogging on your phone until I feel like shipping my camera in or taking it to the camera shop to get fixed. Cause I'm not buying another G7X. This will be my third one. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So from now on, it's gonna be phone content. I'm gonna vlog and post from my phone. Because you don't need fancy equipment, and I'm gonna show y'all that. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. Woo, 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 woo. But yeah, I'll call y'all back in the morning. It's time to cook breakfast. I've been sitting here thinking I've been recording this whole time and ain't been recording a dang on thing. I done had a whole conversation with y'all. But like I said, I filled up the carafe with the peach green tea. And I'm going to let that sit in the fridge. I also got a Boathouse green juice as my alternative to actually juicing, because that takes a lot of work. And juicing is expensive if we don't know in groceries. Everything is $3.99 and up now. I don't know what the heck going on. But, so I got this. It has apples, pineapple, mangoes, bananas, kiwi, spirulina, green tea, broccoli, spinach, barley grass, wheatgrass, garlic, Jerusalem artichoke, Nova Scotia dose, iron, magnesium, B6, B12, and vitamin C in here. So I need to up my vegetable and fruit intake. So I bought a lot of fruit from the grocery store last night, and I bought this. Today is August 27th. It's my baby brother's birthday. If y'all don't know, that's my first child. That is my first child, and he turned 20 today. So happy birthday, Noah. You know, big sis got you for life. I can't believe you're a grown man now. Like, you're a grown man. You're in your 20s. More life to you. Positive vibe. Yeah, like I was saying, we only messing with girls. They got some sense about themselves. That's on the up and up. Keep your mind right. Keep your body right. I love you. And cheers to your 20s, baby. It's about to be the best time of your life. Live it up, my boy. Live it up. But I'm about to make this pizza and watch the baby. So I'll come back when I'm assembling the pizza, y'all. I got that. Okay, y'all. So my breakfast pizza just made me a fail. Only because those sausage balls didn't crumble up how I wanted to when I was like breaking it up. So it might still taste good, but it just not gonna look good because I need the actual sausage crumbs. That's what that looks like. Like my sausage breakups. Because it's definitely not crumbs. Okay, so I went ahead and tried to like scramble the rest of it. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. This is a fail for the sausage part, but yeah, I'm just put it on the pizza. It tastes good. That's all I can say. It tastes really good. So it's not a feel on the taste, it is a feel on the food. Just what it looks like. So while the pizza is baking in the oven, I'm gonna drink my kombucha and watch the little baby doc on Amazon Prime until the food get done. So I'll call y'all back when the pizza's ready so I can show y'all how it's gonna look. Y'all, that pizza turned out so good. So good. I'm not to be played with in this kitchen. Ooh. Too good. Yes. I'm let it sit. It's pissing me off. I'm gonna let it sit so you know everything can get firm before I cut it. And I'm gonna come show y'all what it look like. But yeah, it wasn't a fail. I thought it was gonna be. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay, y'all. While my pizza cooling off, I'm about to run to the beauty supply store because I have to dye my wig brown for my best friend's wedding. So I'm about to run to the store real quick and don't judge me for how my hair look. It's girl code to be able to go to the store, the beauty supply store, looking curvy. Cause you want to do your hair. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to the store. I'm gonna holler back in a second. I think I'm gonna get this color. This is the original. But I want it dark. I'm gonna go with cinnamon. I don't know. I feel like this is too brown. I think, nah, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with this. Alrighty guys, it's time to taste the breakfast pizza. So, this is what it's looking like on the plate. I am going to taste it. My inner child is dancing. This is fire. Oh my goodness. I did it. I did.
Only way you getting here is a bullet through your head, and that's Sonoma.
Not the first one to pull a gun on me.
Nigga, I'll kill you and leave your body right on my front steps.
Let's go. I'm not leaving without my sister. I said let's go.
Nico the Gallo.
Sometimes it's all that love is different. That gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just lay down. flow.